everyone. Taking your makeup look from day to night can be fairly easy if you have the right tools. I personally love a winged liner, but it's not always so easy to achieve. I'm going to take the eyeliner end of my Mistake Erase and I'm just going to gently place it at the base of my lashes and create a thin line right at the base. So once we have that set, I'm going to take the pen again and look at my lower lash line, and from there I'm just going to draw straight up a line, just like that. I'm going to take the end of it and just bring it together with the rest of the liner. So don't worry if it's messy. We're gonna fix it right away. I'm going to take my eraser end and go right under. Just feel free to clean on the back of your hand, it's easier, or on a little tissue paper. Now, for some of you, that probably looked easy. However, my left eye is quite a challenge and I always spend a lot of time fixing my mistakes. So let's see how this is going to pan out. I'm going to take my Mistake Erase, the eyeliner end, and I'm just going to press it at the base of the lashes again. And again, if you're going to add this as a night look and you already have false lashes on, like I do, it's even harder. So I'm really happy that the other end will come in handy. Again, I'm looking at the bottom lash line and just draw straight up where I want my wing. Yeah, that didn't work out the way I wanted. Okay. Also, what I like about this tip is that it's also conditioning to the eye area, so it's not going to dry your outer corners and get crusty like a lot of makeup removers do. Well, that was easy. I think we're pretty much done. Ladies, I think we did it.